Would you benefit from a service that can help you grow your customer base and create customer trust and loyalty? How about a service that can help your technicians complete installations faster and more accurately? What if I told you there's a service that can help you with all of this while at the same time helping you build your book of business? And it most likely integrates seamlessly with thermostats you're already installing. Hi, I'm Anna from Resideo, and the service I'm referring to is ProI-Q. Today I'll share with you how you can take advantage of each level of ProI-Q to build your book of business, help your technicians save time, and increase customer loyalty by providing superior service. ProI-Q includes three levels: ProI-Q Install, ProI-Q Engage, and ProI-Q Analyze. Each tier of enhanced features includes features from previous ones. ProI-Q Install enables you to use the Pro Portal to keep track of your customers and speed up installation times. Your technicians most likely install common packages multiple times a week. You can save them time in the field and ensure accuracy when you use the Resideo Pro app to create and save common ISU templates they can apply in the field via their Resideo Pro app. So instead of them going through each ISU configuration option during installation, they can simply choose a configuration template to automatically configure the thermostat. You can also use the Pro Portal to preload customer information for technicians to quickly access in the field via the Pro app to help decrease install times and ensure customer information is always accurate. Keep your customers returning by making it easy for them to contact you when they need help. When you enroll in the subscription service ProI-Q Engage, your company logo and contact information is prominently displayed on your customer's first alert app and compatible thermostats. Now, when they have questions or issues, they'll call you for help instead of calling someone else. And what if you could keep your customers' minor issues from becoming major ones by staying ahead of breakdowns and service calls? Build customer trust and loyalty when you know about problems before they do. When you subscribe to ProI-Q Analyze, you can remotely monitor customer devices and receive device alerts, enabling you to reach out with support before they contact you. Imagine being able to take care of issues without ever sending a technician. With ProI-Q Analyze and the Pro Portal, you can remotely access customer devices to update system settings, change preferences, and update or change ISU firmware configurations. In this video, I've covered how using ProI-Q services can help you grow your customer base, create customer trust and loyalty, and help your technicians be more efficient in the field. If you'd like more information about ProI-Q services so you can start growing your book of business, refer to this website. Thanks for watching this tech tip. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with a topic you'd like us to cover next. For additional information and training on using ProI-Q services, please visit Resideo Academy.